I'm gonna show you how to set and track goals in Jira. So to get started, you have to open your Jira account and sign in into your account, and then from there all you have to do is just go to your project, or you have to go into goals right here in the bottom. And then from here, if you click the goals button, it will redirect you to a page where you need to approve the creation first. And then but for me, I already done that. So from there, all you have to do is just click on create right above here, and then click on goal. And then from here, all you have to do is just input all the necessary details such as name, target date. You can either daily, yearly, or monthly. So from here, you can just click on create, and there you will now create your goals. And then once you're there, you just have to familiarize with the goals, and then set the locations or the dates that you want, or your goals that you want. Also, you can share it by clicking on share to your colleagues or your teams to set the goals for. So that's pretty much it. That's how to set and track goals in Jira.